Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on Start. Now scroll down. After click on Windows System, click on Control Panel. After click on Categories. After click on Programs. After turn Windows Feature on or off, so click on turn Windows Feature on or off. Now select Hyper-V. After click on OK. Check this box. After click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable Hyper-V on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest updates.